This time, Take-sen will make a Japanese Showa-era retro chicken rice dish that Japanese people feel nostalgic about.
Oh, it's exciting.
He is using this almond mold as a tool. How will he use it? Cut chicken into dice. Pour Japanese sake into the chicken thighs. The alcohol component of sake removes the smell, and the sugar content tenderizes the meat. Dice the vegetables into small pieces. Fry the chicken thighs for about 4 minutes on each side and 8 minutes in total. Stir fry the vegetables and add the meat. When the vegetables are softened, add the rice. Season with salt and pepper. Make a space in the center of the pan and add the ketchup. Once the ketchup is warm, mix everything. Finally, add the peppers and stir to combine. Put the chicken rice into the almond-form mold. Place on a plate and your Showa Retro Chicken Rice is ready to serve. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Wow!
He also made cat face shaped omelette rice.
Oh no!
Thank you very much for your watching.